International water law is built on a foundation of three essential principles that aim to transform shared water resources from potential sources of conflict into opportunities for cooperation. The first principle, equitable and reasonable use, ensures that every country sharing a water source has the right to use it. But this right comes with the responsibility to balance its own needs with the needs of others. Take the Nile Basin as an example. Stretching across 11 countries, this river sustains millions of lives. The Nile Basin Initiative is a framework designed to ensure that all riparian states, whether upstream or downstream, benefit equitably, preventing a single country from monopolizing the resource. But equitable doesn't always mean equal. For instance, a country heavily reliant on agriculture may need more water than one focused on industrial development. The challenge lies in finding a fair distribution that respects everyone's needs. The second principle, no significant harm, is straightforward. Countries must avoid causing significant damage to their neighbors through their use of shared water resources. Consider the Itaipu Dam on the Paraná River, jointly managed by Brazil and Paraguay. It's one of the largest hydroelectric projects in the world. While it generates massive amounts of electricity, its design and operation were carefully planned to minimize flooding and environmental harm downstream. However, when this principle is ignored, the results can be catastrophic. The Aral Sea crisis, where excessive upstream water diversion devastated downstream communities, is a stark reminder of what happens when harm isn't considered. The third principle, cooperation, emphasizes the importance of dialogue and collaboration. Countries must share information about projects that could impact shared waters and consult with each other before taking major actions. On the Mekong River, which flows through 6 countries in Southeast Asia, the Mekong River Commission ensures that all member nations discuss and plan water use together. This collaborative approach prevents disputes and fosters sustainable development. When nations work together, the benefits extend far beyond water. Cooperation builds peace, trust, and prosperity across borders. These three principles, equitable and reasonable use, no significant harm, and cooperation, aren't just theoretical, they're practical tools that guide countries in managing shared water sustainably. But how do these principles hold up in real-world scenarios, especially in regions with high tensions? In the next segment, we'll explore case studies where these principles have been tested and where they've succeeded or failed.